Good afternoon, this is Keith All. Today we're going to learn how we can create a desktop screen mock-up in Photoshop. Now what do I mean by this? I grabbed this image, this outer image from the web, and basically it just had a screen on here, and there was a different image on this computer screen. So what I did was I overlaid that image with this image right here. So we're going to learn how we could do this. So I'm going to go over to a new document. I already have this picture open here, and the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to use the rectangle tool, and we're going to make sure it's on shape up here in the options bar, and we're going to make sure the fill is black in this case. Now we're going to draw a rectangle over this screen. Now we don't have to be perfect because in a little while we're going to adjust this. So I'm going to draw a rectangle around here, and it's going to fill with black. Our next step, press enter, and then come over here to your layers panel, right click on the rectangle that you just and we're going to convert it to a smart object. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to turn down the opacity here of this layer, and the reason why I want to do that is because I want to adjust the rectangle to fit more closely to where this screen image is. So what we're going to do is now we're going to press Control T on a PC to enter transform mode, and then right click on that, and we're going to select distort. So now I'm just going to click these corners and adjust it so it fits more closely with the corners of the computer screen. Okay, let's press enter. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to readjust it because there's slight, the image below it is showing through here. So I'm going to press Control T again, right click and distort, and I'm going to just adjust this corner up just slightly. Okay, press enter, or you can click on this check mark above here, and it looks like it covers it fine. Now what we want to do is we want to edit the contents of the smart object. You could do this in one of two ways. We could come up here to this Properties tab and click on Edit Contents, or we could double click on this thumbnail of this rectangle. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to drag my external image onto this. So let's go over to my Explorer, and I'm just going to select the same image, and I'm going to drag and drop it onto this. Now I'm going to use the shortcut key Shift Alt and click and drag to resize it to keep its aspect ratio the same. Now press enter or use this check mark above here. Okay, now this the screen that we're in is in it's a PSB file. So now what we want to do is we want to save it. Go File, Save. Now let's come back here, and the image is there, but I have to turn the opacity back up to 100%, and there you have it. So that's how you could do in this case a desktop screen mock-up within Photoshop. Thanks for stopping by today. I appreciate your support. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And also please like, share, and comment. If you have any questions about this tutorial, or if you have ideas for another tutorial, that you couldn't find an answer for, please put that into comments below, and I'll be sure to take care of it for you. Thanks again. You have a great day. Bye now.